As social media platforms continue to evolve, businesses need to embrace short-form video to stay relevant, reach new audiences, and expand their subscriber base. With reduced costs and personalized targeting, micro-influencers and UGC are set to become more popular than ever, offering businesses the opportunity to forge long-lasting partnerships. Are you ready to embrace the power of micro-influencers and UGC in your marketing mix? Social commerce and live-stream shopping are set to become a $1.3 trillion global market in 2023. Businesses turn to these platforms to build relationships and trust with consumers. With innovative AI tools for marketers that are producing personalized content that resonates with target audiences, businesses must adapt to stay competitive in the evolving world of social media marketing. An increasing number of consumers prefer to receive customer support via direct messages. It's essential for businesses to integrate social media into their customer service strategies. Platform-specific strategies will play a vital role in helping businesses succeed on social media. Businesses can develop their social media presence and make a lasting impact on their target audience. In 2023, micro and nano-influencer campaigns will become one of the most powerful social media marketing strategies. With brands to grow engagements, build relationships and increase conversion rates, making it an ideal choice for companies.